So, brethren, as I'm saying, I don't know whether Daddy will turn up for us or not. You know, he has been going here and there. Brethren, guess who just entered? Our Daddy, the wisest man of God ever lived. Daddy, let me introduce you. I don't have time. Without wasting our time, put your eggs together as I welcome our Daddy, Daddy G of creativity. I love her for him. God bless my Daddy. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Popsy, you love me too much. Sing it. Too much excess love. Popsy, you love.
You need learning, you need action, you need that. Brethren, listen to me. It is yet another Sunday, and I can categorically tell you that if you want to get into the university in this country, you need connection, or you need to have the covenant of grace. Also, you have to absolutely get a uniform. I do not mean a uniform, but I mean a uniform.
Oh my God.
Also, when you get into the university, you have to be you. And also remember, you do not need a bow when you get to the university.
Yes.
Simply because you have to strictly face your bow. Okay. And when you get to campus, you need to have a uniport that you can use to prepare concussion. And also, you also need to have a mug just in case you want to prepare unity. Tell your neighbor, my fountain of knowledge will never dry. My fountain of knowledge will never dry. Can I preach? Yeah. Can I preach? Yeah. Brethren, the introduction of private universities in the system was a landmark achievement for Nigeria. Briefly, let me share with you the mystery of some universities. Number one, do you know that King's University is not attended by kings? Neither is Mountaintop University on the mountain. Do you know that Redeem has university? Also, Kola Daisy University is not dicey. Do you know that if you attend Yobe State University, it doesn't guarantee that you will meet your bail? Do you know that National Open University of Nigeria is not a noun, it is simply a sentence? And do you know that Edo State University is not owned by one Edo? Do you know that attending University of Ibadan can never make you high?
I don't know.
In Tai Solarin University, can you believe that they did not tie Solarin?
Will you keep quiet?
Also, Babcock University has no Babcock, or do they have?
Boy, ask your grandfather.
And do you know that Madonna University is not owned by a mad owner? Oh, mama, Scopa Tumana. Scopa Tumana. Yeah. Last week in the office, somebody called Pastor Propro. He picked up the phone. The person said, "My guy, where you there?" He said, "Hello, Adeleke University." I looked at him. What kind of lie is this? Shortly after, somebody else called him. He said, "Hello, Adekunle Ajasin University." I said, Pastor Propro, what kind of lie is this? What is wrong with you? You will just go to hell, see you. You better don't be unfortunate. Also, OAUX. Brethren, I keep telling people to strive for success, to strive diffams you. Nobody. Briefly, let me share with you the story of a young man called Abu. Abu is a notorious womanizer. One day, he went into a restaurant and saw a pretty lady with her boyfriend, a sugar daddy. Few minutes later, the boyfriend left. Abu had the intention to pay a bill to impress her. He called the bartender. Ellis, the waiter came. He told him, I want to pay that lady, that pretty lady's bill. Can I shock you? Can I shock you? Ellis said, sir, our chief has fooled the bill. He said, what? He became angry. He asked for the name of our chief, our boyfriend. Ellis said, his name is Ali. Immediately, Abu picked his phone and made some calls. He called some thugs. He said, I want you to go and deal with Ali. Teach him some lessons, some terrible lessons. Immediately, Ellis heard what he said. He picked up his own phone too and began to call Ali. He said, sir, they are coming to deal with you. Please keep yourself safe, or better still, go to the police station. And guess what?
What happened?
The thugs began to shoot at Ali's car, and immediately policemen came and overpowered them, and eventually they couldn't ambush Ali.
Jesus is
But I will see you next Sunday. Oh, let's go, Patman.
That is the voice of foolishness.
Your name is full of wonders. Come and manifest yourself.
Help us.